This video mainly tells you how to back up iPhone and iPad to external hard drive. You can transfer your existing iPhone backup files to an external hard drive, but doing so may damage the backup files. Using specialized software is also an option. Part 1. How to back up iPhone to external drive on Windows. Step 1. Use the command prompt to change the iPhone backup location. Create a Windows symbolic link to an external drive folder. Connect the drive. Fix maclink errors. Close iTunes. Launch admin command prompt. Type the command and then press enter. Maclink J, C. Users ISIN share app data. Roaming Apple computer mobilesync backup, H-a backup. At this time, you will see a newly created backup folder with an arrow in the default iPhone backup location. Step 2. Start to save iPhone backup to external hard drive on Windows. Connect iPhone to PC. Open iTunes. Wait for recognition. Click iPhone icon. Choose Backup Now for external backup. Part 2. How to back up iPhone to external hard drive on Mac. Connect external drive to Mac. Format as MS-DOS FAT. Make iPhone backup folder on it. In Finder's Utilities, open terminal, enter linus vol external iPhone backup libapp sup or mobilesync. Part 3. How to back up iPhone directly to external hard drive. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a professional iOS data management and backup tool that allows you to manage iPhone or iPad or iPod files, backup files to computer or iTunes. A quick tutorial you can follow to back up iPhone or iPad to external hard drive with Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Connect your devices to computer. Step 2. Select the iPhone data to back up. Step 3. Back up iPhone onto a hard drive.